there was balance. Because that's where you find art. Hey, Umvelingangi emerges from the carbon soup. Unoma art already. Nomtetogas. Hey, the original Trinity. Rache Hutima art. So therefore, art, kutiwa permeate everything, every field. It could never exist without umthetho. Hey. So art umthetho esiphethwe yiwo sonke emhlabeni. Yingakho lento esiyenzayo to welcome every time we welcome a new season, we are living the Ma'at way. Why? Because we recognize the importance and the power of the relationship between spirit and matter. And we are intelligent enough to know, Guti, when the sun and our planet, they are at this degree, there's prevalence of this energy that we need to recognize. That's living now. Art. So lento siyenzayo is trying to balance and bring harmony in our lives. In our lives, because the content makes you, it forces you to introspect. Even if uqabane nomuntu mawuwedwa uyazibuza ukuthi, am I the one that instigated this thing? And ukuze ulunge la ngaphakathi kumele ukuvume lokho. And futhi uhambe uyoxolisa kuloya muntu, so that you find peace within. Otherwise there will always be that emotional turmoil. Sikubone nje ukubhesta nje all the time. Nyukubele bayinento engaphakathi kuwena. You need to release. Ube free flow mawumuntu. So art ke in all the world, you know, art was there before the sun Umvelingangi was created. Therefore, kumele ngisho nalo ilanga lilandela umthetho kaMa'at. Ayikho into that escapes that law and order of Ma'at. Yonke into is bound to follow that. So yingakho ke nathi we have realized ukuthi the scales are not balanced in our lives. But isathi ngeke silokho sipepereka. Let us do something about it. Yingakho sihlangana la every Sunday. Iqiniso ukuthi mesiza la. That's the truth. Sizozilapha. Because it's the only day la ungacabangi khona ngestress zakho. Mawungena la ushiya ama stress akho le. Mawungena la isigubhu sikubeka kwenye. Bathi abantu balokho ba confused ngoku experience izulu. I-harmony between heaven and earth. See, experience every Sunday. Because once uphuma enyameni, sikubona solandela i-rhythm yakho, i-frequency yakho, sithe lo muntu lo ujika ngenye indlela. Ujikela isigubhu. Hey, that's the thing. That's the healing. That's when healing happens. Remember, Guti, when you are able to quieten your mind, to shut your mind, because ingqondo chaos. There are so many. uthi uphahla la abanga umkhukhu wakho ukuthi ubuyela kule nje vusa. So you know the thoughts here. These are the thoughts which are irreality. Do you understand? So ingakho ke it's important ukuthi sihlangane ngalendlela singabantu abamnyama, because our journey will be much quicker if singahlangana sihambe ngalendlela sonke. It's all imfundiso zalentulo zikabaphreli uvusa amazulu. Manje we are able to challenge imfundiso. Umgabe habe ngekalunge la nama degrees akayi-20 benangaki ubengashawa nje ukhehla iziqu ze-knowledge yengane bampraise all over, the most educated president on the continent. Kanti abazi ukuthi ba-expose how colonized he is. And then naye ubejabulela leyo nto. Umbone noma ekhuluma lapha i-arrogance based on that. Kanti uphethe i-information yengane. Look, Umgabe siyamsupporta sonke for lento ayenzile, but kumele sikhulume iqiniso ukuthi Umgabe was a CIA agent before. He was a blue-eyed boy abelungu. Yonke lento le iqala after sebe betrayene nabelungu. Baya betrayana Umgabe uthi anisafuna ukonarisha agreement yenu manje. Lesaba nayo ukuthi mina I'm going to preside over this country. I will not let Amakhosi rule. That's what he did. Azi kahle ukuthi lomhlaba ubelong emakhosini. Naye uyisubject yamakhosi. Kepha ukucabanga kwakhe kwaba ukucabanga kwengane. Hayi umuntu oneziqo zi-20. Yini ama degrees like 20. How do you think like that? Ufunde but no, asumgabe phela. La in South Africa, how many professors do we have? How many doctors do we have? I-consciousness yabantu abamnyama has changed. If you project the future, those people that claim to be educated, do you think they will bring you this light? No. They will never. And then the whole continent, asikulaphela. Sigcwele nama-professor, kepha ulwazi lwabo is useless to us. Because alwenzi lutho. Sinama-engineers lapha. Angakanani ama-engineers? Ama-engineers ethu. But manje, uyazi ma ukhuluma nge-engineering la elokishini, ukhuluma ngento ngathi manje yinto that is inaccessible. Into edlulayo, into bengitshela lo khehla we-architecture ngithi kuye, for you to be able to learn better, you must find a group of young children to teach. Lento ithola ebelungwini, ifundise. Use that to unlock the potential yengane. Don't be educated so that wena uloko ujabula mesikuhlonipha. Yazi mawuvela. But you professor. Sonke siqhobisa amakhaya. Manje thina ubaba Krule wasifundisa sithi ukuthi sikubuze nje into ayodwa. What are you prophesying about? That's all. Hey, you professor me. What are you prophesying about? Usitshela nge-information yengane. Asikho lapho thina. Thina manje we are building a future. A future that has a foundation of my art. That's the future Siyakayo. That's why we are saying, ukuthi future leadership, they've got to be abantu who qualify. And sibone ngezenzo zabo ukuthi siyehla isambulelo kulomuntu. Ngoba ngeke ubhitheke leyo. Ngeke usitshele ukuthi siyehla isambulelo ukuthi wena hayi kumnyama. Hey. Bathi kumnyama ebusweni benkazi. Hey. Isikhathi sokuthi uzoma phambi kwethu. Usitshele ukuthi wena umholi. Futhi banaleyo arrogance. I'm a leader. We must tell you. Hayi ukuthi wena utshele thina ukuthi uya leader. It's the other way around. Ngezenzo zakho mele sibone ngawe ukuthi inkokheli ke leyo. Hey. So manje ke iyo ke the question of really living uma art. Okhokho bathi le ndlela esiyenzayo just to acknowledge ukuthi there is a principle called asa umvuseleli. Hydrogen abelungu bathi hydrogen ungizwa ngcono mengithi hydrogen. Kepha mengithi mvuseleli you get so confused. Hey, just acknowledging these energies and principles that make us animate here on earth. It's wisdom already. It means we are in alignment. We are in harmony with nature. Unlike kwenzakale konke lokho kwenzakalayo uyahlabeka lapha enyaweni. In a day we are hileka. Ubongile lo moya okuhilika. Uyaqhubeka nje ngempilo. As if vele you deserve to be healed. So kula si violator khona umthetho kungabi ne balance. Ifana nani lento yokubonga is very important. Uma uthole somebody or kukhona okwenzelwe khona okuhle bonga. Bonga wena khetha because gratitude is one of those emotions ezenza ukuthi unyuke uvibrate at a very high frequency. Those because East Africa, the African way philosophy ikufundisa nje ukuthi simple things ama gesture. Do you understand? Ama gesture bengithi the other day kule situation yokuhlawula kwengane. The most important thing asi ukuthi the family zo demand what money. And wena ubeka what money there. That's not important. Emadlozi. That's not important Goko. What is important is gesture. Ukufika nje office family yabo baba wengane bazonyathela kule jaridi laba khose khona umlilo amadlozi ayaxola. Just that gesture. Asabantu benophathani phansi igesture. Uma ukhona ukuthi whether ubhizi kangakanani thina siyashaya manje these days shower load shedding. But if we recognize that the importance of making everything stop because 12 ubhekane nalo moya hayi isikhathi somoya le, just that gesture will result in you experiencing heka. Yizo ke lezinto ezincane yizo ende nenhlonipho. If ungenanhlonipho usenkingeni. And if ungakhona ukuzehlisa, imagine me ngihambe ngikhuluma ngehla nginyuka kuma ngomezulu uyayithola leyo nto leyo yenze leyo nto ngoba uhlaza awufundisekanga la ubuya khona kepha it will come back to you. It will definitely come back to you. Inhlonipho is the foundation of African culture and philosophy. Uma uyinhlonipho, ungenayo inhlonipho, uyisilwane. Uyisilwane sesilwane. Ngisho nezingane emele ifundise inhlonipho. Akwazi ukukhuluma nomuntu omdala ubhuti wakho wena ngalendlela. Ngoba iqala vele la ebuncaneni. Umntwana ayekelwe nje alokha ayinyukela izehlela phezulu komuntu omdala. Kuthiwa ingane yani. Ngoba ligotshwa lisemanzi. Mele umfake induku vele. Elakhophose ezosala zobona. Akhophose ezosala zobona. Thina sikhule kanjani? Bokunombila la all over. Umama mbeke ngigijimisa nje. I remember mengikhula la. Bese tshala umbili. Umama ngigijimise mina ngikhule ngenduku. Ngiyayazi ingakho nginenhlonipho engaka. Bengeke ngidelela umuntu omdala lapha. Even ubhuti wami, I could never just speak anyhow to my brother. Ngoba bengazi result yalapho kuzoba yini. Udelela umfweni wakhe. Uyazibona ungakanani? Injalo. And at that time I would hate the situation, but manje I appreciate leyo nduku. Ngoba if azange ngithole le nduku, ngabe ngikhwada nami. I'm just loose. Angazi abantu abadala ngikhuluma nje noma kanjani. Kepha ngibonakala ukuthi ngiphuma ekhayeni eliqotho belinendovukazi eqotho. Eyathi kimi nobaba bathi ivalue yomhlaba inhlonipho. Uma ungahlonipha mntanami yonke into yoshelela kuwe. That was a wisdom, to me. So manje Makhehla yizo lezi zinto lezi ezincane ezenza ukuthi sithiphe the scale. Singabi balance. La kukhehla la. Angeke athi ukhehla because uyafika la every day ngumvulele ioffice. Hey mkhulu no ngishaya around whatever. Then bese yacabanga ukuthi ngi friend yakhe. Asengiyifriend yakho mina. Lokho ungakhohlwa nangelinye ilanga. Ngiyahleka nawe but I'm not your friend. Injalo Makhehla. And angiyona ifriend kaMama Ngomezulu mina. I will never have the guts to speak anyhow to Mama Ngomezulu. Do you understand? And hayi ukuthi ngiyamhlonipha nje because of ini. Ngimhlonipha because inhlonipho ingenza ngi-experience ama-magic. Izinto ziyayishelelela ngikutshela manje. I'm business. Usethi Makhehla. I-principle ye-materialism. Right? Si experience ama-magic. This season kasethi. Yazi into ishelele ngathi ubhotolo. Kumkeke panini. Phela le esithengisayo, it's a hard sell. Especially abantwini who are colonized la emakhaya. But manje, how izinto zihamba kalula man. Izinto that you were struggling with kulamanye ama-season. How manje ziyashelela. Usethi loyo. Usenza si-experience ama-magic. Ngathi mina when you have a free flow, awuna stress mawuqala project. The minute you differentiate kulama thoughts akho, you then concentrate on this one thought, magic happens. Umoya ukudonsela wonke umuntu omfunayo Hey, lento ukuthi uzolokho yomarketer wena marketer it means we are not in alignment. Umsebenzi kumele ukhiphe endlini ekamereni bakufonele bathi hey sine post la uyafuna noma ufuna kube uwe that rejects that. That is when you see ukuthi ihacker is at play. And you won't experience lezo zinto as long as ungena free flow la ngaphakathi. That's why you must never compromise your peace. You must never compromise your peace at any cost. Because that is the source. You know, when you have peace inside, umthukile umlaba ngekho ngazulu. Kumele mengifike endlini ngisho mangithi hayi man. Ngimenze kabi umlaba. Ngibe indoda enough to pick up a call ngithi ajo ngiyaxolisa mfowethu. In that way ngiyakhululeka. Yes. Injalo. Otherwise if ngizohlala remember ukuthi uma athi unembeza ilento ifilayo la ngaphakathi. Ngakuthuka mina ngikusho ngenhlamba and say all you know inhlamba. Kepha uma athi uthi mping every time ngithuka uthi mping la ngaphakathi kimi. So therefore if I'm wise mele ngehlisi ego ngihambe ngiyoxolisa kumlaba. Hayi mfowethu ngikhulume kabi nawe. Ngabiza amagama ongamelanga nangendlela engikhulume nayo ngawe. Ngicela mfowethu ungixolele. In that way sengi-free already. Angisenaso leso sibopho. Ngiyakhona ukumbheka kusasa umlaba ngithi hayi no mfowethu sishayi. Uyabona? Hey, sibambane izandla. So abantu, that is those small inyana things ezikugejisayo. Bese kublame abantu. Uyenyangeni ithi hayi unekdo. Umbheka uhlala egejini. Njalo moya emsebenzini hawu. Ekuseni kuyabanda endlini ngizimele la ngipheka abantu. Sengi-suspect. Madness. Igigaba zale inyanga namhlanje. Zikhuluma ezinye izinto angazi zathwasa kuphi. Fana le inyanga ezihamba zithi lawyer abantu la ema-TV. Inyanga enjani le? Mina ngisazi isigodlo la uthwasela khona ukuyoloya. Asikho leso sigodlo. So imikhuba lo yenzayo yakho ungayihlanganisi nobunyanga. Siyazi thina ebunyangeni. Thina mina ngaqede ephehlweni akaze ugobela wamathi uyabona lo muntu lo owokuloya. Ngaze ngaqeda ephehlweni. Yonke imithi engiyazi and mina makunika umuthi nguzamile mina self. Ngikunikeza wona with confidence ukuthi mawenza lento uphuza ngalendlela kuzoyenzakala kanje. Angikunikezi mina into engakayizami mina self. So kumele ke sibuyeni sibalance sengisho nabo ubunyanga makhehla. Ubunyanga siyinyanga sengisaba nokuthi nginyanga. Kubone umfayele nobuhlali yonke. Endenye into futhi nje lami la ngikhipha lapha. Ngangifaka vele ngigaxa. Ngigaxa nami. Ngitshela ukuthi hayi vele kumele ngihambe ngiqinile ngifake imfiso yonke into. Hayi kwenzeka isikhathi. Yazi lento yenzeka 3 or 4 times. Ama-traffic cop. Ayeke zonke imoto babize mina. babize mina but hey 4 times ngalahla yonke lento and uthe ngayikhipha lento lokuhlala bami imfihlo yonke imfihlo no ngaphila manje sebelanda basemuva ithi manga-approacha i-roadblock ngishaya ukuthathu asa oset him finish ngadlula vele bebambe imoto baziconfiscate ngangihamba ngejet ijetha yami ngenadisk ebusuku esentini ababa ngesentini ayinadisk lo muntu lo mengiza ngizostopha uyangibheka ubheka lento wathi hamba so ngikhuluma ngalezi zinto ezincane makhehla ukuthi asibhekisise lezi zinto ezincane ngoba lezi zinto ezincane esithina because sesijwayele isilungu sibona ngathi hayi those are barbaric. They are not barbaric. Those are things that gives you a harmony with nature. Because you will never find harmony if you are not reconnected with nature. Do you understand? Hey, laba abantu bathi no abambelana nalento esiyenzayo. Kepha into engixakayo baphupha labantu. Hey, baphupha. Manje bathi ibuyaphi yonke le.
Bathi nyoma.
Huh?
Bathi nyoma.
How? Umuntu uphupha ugogo wakhe elime emasimini. Hayi no seyebiza abanye. Hayi I need prayer. Exorcism. Therapy. Why am I dreaming of my grandmother? Kanti abazi ukuthi akuna sifo. Akufa kukho. We always hear. And the mohamba la emhlabeni umdlwembe uzoba umdlwembe. Uma uhambe usifunde half uzoba uzoqedelela. Do you understand? So in life continues. Akusho ukuthi lo msebenzi esiwenzayo intwana yami mase ihlela because of ukulandela italent lakho seke ibillionaire. Mina ngizalo labusha. Ngumbona yena nje yonke into ephambene nemvelo. Ngingumyeni. Ngingumyeni. Uzomane amangale nakuthi manje lokho kuncane kwalokho kungibelesele ngalento. Ngoba iyenzeka leyo nto leyo. Udino umntwana omncane. Kukhona lento lokho ayiphuza la kuwe. Usabathe wenza hayi. Ngiyabona ngisho. Mina singayazi ingakho kuthiwa ingane embodies umoya that has lived for centuries. So ungabuka ingane ucabanga ukuthi ingane. Ingane ngokumzimba kepha ngokamoya. Hayi mkhulu kabi. Ngicela izolo. Ungaseni makhaya.
Thina sibiziwe thina